Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Figma to design packaging labels with Dielines detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new file. Set your canvas size to the dimensions required for your packaging label. To create a Dieline, use the rectangle tool to draw the outline of your label. Adjust the rectangle to match the exact dimensions specified in your design brief. Select the rectangle and change its stroke color to a distinct, bright color for visibility. Set the stroke weight to a thicker line, typically around 2 to 4 points. Next, create a second rectangle inside the first one for the actual design area. This inner rectangle should be smaller, leaving enough space for any bleed or trim. Label these shapes clearly with text layers indicating the Dieline and design area. Ensure the Dieline shape is placed at the top of the layers panel for easy visibility. Now, consider the bleed area. Extend the design area rectangle by an additional 1/8 inch on all sides. Use the pen tool if your label has any custom shapes or cutouts. Once your Dieline is complete, lock the Dieline layer to prevent accidental adjustments. Start designing within the inner rectangle, adding visuals and text as needed. Use the appropriate fonts and colors according to brand guidelines. Keep essential elements inside the inner design area to ensure they are not cut off. You can utilize the alignment tools to center your text and images perfectly. Test your label design by creating a few sample variations with different color schemes. When satisfied with the design, double-check dimensions and layout against your Dieline. Export the design as a PDF or PNG, ensuring you include the Dieline for production. Using layers efficiently can help keep your elements organized throughout the process. Save your Figma file regularly to avoid any loss of work. Review everything carefully, ensuring your design meets all specifications. Once everything is confirmed, you're ready to send the design for printing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.